So hello everybody guys, I'm Alex, as always, and today guess what? Just give it a shot. Hopefully you'll get it, because today, as very much frequently, I'm gonna be trading and earning, and hopefully you'll be able to receive some valuable information. Because of it, you will be able to earn some money by yourself. So before I start doing that, please don't forget to join my Telegram private group, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as do not forget to leave a like on this video, because this is very much important for me, as much it is important for you to receive the valuable information, the important one. So let's just start. So what we are having right here, first of all, I'm gonna be just changing it to the candles, then going to the indicators. The period I'm gonna be making 10 here, the line, the color. Let's make it green right here. This one is gonna be like, it's not blue, I don't really know what was the color is it. Then put in the vortex there. Okay, so the first bit that we are going to be doing, we're going high, so we're going for long, as well as I would like to remind you that today we're trading with only $90, and my goal is to earn quite a bit of money. So if you take a look at both of the oscillators, guys, first of all, I can see that we were just going for short, first of all, but then the RSI gives me the vibe that we might be in the oversold zone, and we should be going for a little bit of high. At the same time, the sellers are really weak right now, and this is the opportunity for the buyers to just dive into the market and just start buying the currency. And this is to be honest, the main reason why I think it's gonna be a long. As well as if you take a look at the vortex, the green line, which represents the buyers, and is matching the red line that represents the sellers. So here you go, $576 right now. So right now, I would love to move to the Australian dollars and New Zealand one. Let me first of all put it there, 576, because I'm going all in, and I'm going for short, guys. And the explanation for that is quite easy, just owing to the fact that if you take a look at the RSI, we can see that we have been in the overbought zone, and right now this is the situation at the moment that we can use. And as you can see, like immediately it just goes, it just declines immediately. I'm talking about the market, of course. So, as well as the same thing, look at the vortex. It just matches. Two lines they are just matching. As well as the RSI, what was in the overbought zone, now it declines. Like everything is pretty much obvious and easy, but it is easy once you know how to evaluate the market. Once you know how to bet, or what you should be noticing, what you should be paying attention to. It is easy then. Yo, that was my name. By the way, like in the meantime, $1,105, like almost $6, right? It is. Now I'm gonna be just doing 1,105. Yeah, I'm going for short. Yeah, going for short, guys. The idea and the logic of this bet is absolutely the same with the previous one. We are in the overbought zone, and we are not really having the resistance level, we are not really having the support level right now. If you take a look at the screen, we are not really having any of it. We are kind of like in a sideways, I would love to say it, but the sideways that is in the overbought zone, and this is the main reason why I truly believe that we should be going for short. This is the main reason why I truly believe that we're going to be winning this bet. Wow, 2,000. It was kind of so fast though. We started with only $300, and now we are having $2,000. Like it was very much fast, pretty fast. Ooh, we are having some potential to grow. I'm not going to be changing the amount of the bet. Let's keep it that way. However, we are having the potential for growth, because if you take a look at the oscillator, we can see that it shows that there is still room for some movement, for growth. I don't know. At the same time, the candles are giving me the signal about the fact that there is, it's an upward trend. Because you can see that there are a lot of green candles. And guys, just don't forget, and of course keep that in mind, that it is very much important for me to see your likes, to see your subscriptions, and joining to my private Telegram group, because I am truly delighted to be able to give the information to you guys, because only then you'll be able to taste the money from trading. Because right now in front of you, I've just made 3,300 and 100, 3,000, dang, $3,139 with only from $300. So guys, keep that in mind, of course, and do not forget to text something in the comments. It is always very motivating, because this is the only way that we are able to communicate. So it is very much important for me though, because I'm a very communicative person. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget about Alex, don't forget about trading, don't forget about money. Goodbye.